This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Gemini Advanced. First, understand that Gemini Advanced is a premium subscription service from Google, offering access to their most powerful AI models. It's designed for users needing advanced reasoning, coding, and multimodal capabilities. This service significantly enhances your interaction with AI, providing a more sophisticated and efficient experience for complex tasks. It's a step up for anyone looking to leverage cutting-edge artificial intelligence. To subscribe, begin by visiting the official Gemini website or accessing it through your Google One account. Locate the clear option to upgrade to Advanced or Subscribe. You'll need to be logged into your Google account to continue. Carefully review the subscription details, including the monthly cost, which is typically around $19.99 after any trial period. Ensure you understand the features included before proceeding to the next step. After reviewing the details, select your preferred payment method. This usually includes options like a credit card or other linked payment services. Confirm your billing information is accurate, then finalize the purchase. You'll receive an email confirmation shortly detailing your new Gemini Advanced subscription. Once confirmed, you can immediately access all the enhanced features and capabilities that Gemini Advanced offers, ready to power your projects. With Gemini Advanced, you can now leverage the powerful 1.5 Pro model for highly complex tasks, from intricate coding to creative writing. Take advantage of its large context window, capable of processing extensive information, equivalent to about 1 million tokens. Explore advanced data analysis and multimodal input features for richer interactions. You'll also enjoy priority support and early access to new features, ensuring you always have the latest AI tools at your fingertips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.